students, welcome to Abhigyan Academy. Let us discuss an important topic about the Indian preamble that is a part of your polity. So, see, guys, our constitution starts with the first part that is called as the preamble. Okay, and if we talk about the preamble, then this preamble is called as the identity card of the constitution. Why it is called as the identity card of the constitution? This is because in your books, whatever books you read, the school books, the text books that you read, so in the first part you will find the index. In that index your chapters are given. That means you have understood that this are the chapters that you are going to study in the future days. It means you will study those chapters that is given in your book. It means by looking at the first part, you understood that, okay, this book contains this chapters. So like, as I said, that index part, the preamble is also like that. This is like the index part of your book. And this is the index or identity card of the constitution where the details, the words will be there, the topics will be there, and that topics will be further in the constitution. So this is why the preamble is called as the identity card of the constitution, because the constitution starts with the first part, that is your preamble. हमारा जो constitution है ये स्टार्ट होता है विद दिस पार्ट दैट आई सेड एज प्रीएम्बल. अभी इस प्रीएम्बल को क्या बोला जाता है? दिस इज सेड एज द आइडेंटिटी कार्ड ऑफ आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. आइडेंटिटी कार्ड मीन्स व्हाट? जब आप लोग आई कार्ड पहनते हो तो वहां पे आपका एक बेसिक बेसिक डिटेल्स दिया हुआ होता है. ठीक है, तो इट मीन्स जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में होगा इस बुक के अंदर क्या क्या है डिटेल्स में, उसका एक क्रक्स, एक टॉपिक, एक पॉइंट जो है वो प्रीएम्बल में दिया गया है. इसीलिए दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द आइडेंटिटी कार्ड ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड दिस टर्म वाज गिवन बाय एन.ए. पालखीवाला. सो एन.ए. पालखीवाला हैज सेड दैट द प्रीएम्बल इज द आइडेंटिटी पार्ट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. ओके, नाउ इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द ग्लोबल कॉन्टेक्स्ट के कहाँ से ये प्रीएम्बल का कॉन्सेप्ट हमारे इंडिया में लिया गया है. फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम ये प्रीएम्बल का जो कॉन्सेप्ट था इट वाज टेकन इन द अमेरिकन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड वी हैव बोरोड द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ प्रीएम्बल फ्रॉम द अमेरिकन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. ठीक है, हमारे सॉरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ऐसे बहुत सारे फीचर्स हैं दैट वी हैव बोरोड फ्रॉम द अदर कंट्रीज and we have borrowed and then we have modified it and then we have included it in our constitution, right? So ये जो है ना अमेरिकन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से हम लोग लेकर आए हैं. ओके, नाउ this preamble, इसके बारे में one important point that you have to notice that this preamble is neither a source of power to the legislature. It means the parliament. The parliament cannot derive its power from the preamble, nor a prohibition upon the powers of the legislature. ये legislature के ऊपर ऐसा कोई prohibition भी impose नहीं करता है. Neither it is a source of power, nor it is imposing any kind of prohibition. So the most important point that you have to notice about the preamble is that this is neither a source of power to the legislature nor a prohibition upon the legislature. Okay, preamble is a part of constitution. This is an identity card of the constitution, but this is neither a source nor a prohibition. Okay, now if we talk about the historical blueprint of this preamble, how the preamble have got this shape, how it was evolved in the Indian constitution. तो फिर इसका अगर हिस्ट्री हम लोग देखेंगे तो इसका ओरिजिन होता है एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रिजोल्यूशन से जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं ऑब्जेक्टिव रिजोल्यूशन. ठीक है, इस रिजोल्यूशन को बोलते हैं ऑब्जेक्टिव रिजोल्यूशन जो प्रेजेंट किया गया था बाय जवाहरलाल नेहरू. So Jawaharlal Nehru have presented this objective revolution in the assembly on this date 13th December 1946 में the objective resolution was passed by Jawaharlal Nehru and later in January 22 1947 this objective resolution was passed. Okay, it was adopted by the assembly and in 26 November 1949, when our constitution was completed, then this preamble was adopted by the members of the Constituent Assembly. So if we talk about the historical evolution of this preamble, then it has its origin from this document, that is your objective resolution passed on December 13, 1946. Okay, and this was adopted by the assembly on 26 November 1949. So preamble becomes the part of the constitution when it was adopted on this date. So see, this objective resolution was passed by Jawaharlal Nehru on 13th December 1946. Now, if we talk about the text of the preamble, since I said that this is the identity card of the constitution, preamble consists of a paragraph like this. It is said that we, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. See, these words are given in block letters. Okay, it means the constitution is going to talk about sovereignty, socialism, secularism, democracy, republic. Apart from this, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social justice means in case of social, economic and political, then we have liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, means we have our own religions and we can have faith on that religion. Then equality of status and opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, means brotherhood, assuring their assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. So these block letters terms that are given here, these terms will be there further in the constitution, and here one parts are dedicated to these terms. Okay, sovereignty will be there, secularism will be there, socialist features will be there, the articles will be there to deal with this concepts. Okay, so now if we talk about that, this preamble is called as the identity card of the constitution. It means this terms, we will deal with these terms in the constitution. Okay, further when we will start reading our constitution, the constitution will deal with these terms. Okay, so now this preamble was adopted on 26 November 1949. Do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves the constitution. तो ये जो है इस डेट पे हमारे members of the constituent assembly have adopted it. Okay, now see, this sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and a republic, originally all the words were not there. Later the preamble, till now amended only once, in 1976 the preamble was amended, and in that amendment we have added three terms. Okay, we have added three terms that we will study in the further chapters. Okay, socialist, secular, and one term is there, that is your integrity. Okay, socialist, secular and your integrity, these terms were later added. Okay, sovereign, socialist and integrate, means socialist, secular and integrate, these terms were added later because the preamble can be amended by the parliament and can add some new terms to the constitution. Okay, so this was later amended. Now see, if we talk about the preamble, then the source of authority of this is the people, and nature of the state, they are talking about India, whatever it is given in the preamble, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Date of adoption 26 November 1949, and objective that will be by the constitution, justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. Okay, so now see, our constitution was completed on 26 November 1949. But the commencement date, okay, the date from which the constitution was forced, then that date is different. Okay, the date of adoption is 26 November 1949, but the date of force, okay, when the constitution was enforced, this is 26 January 1950. So the two dates are different. But when it comes to preamble, preamble में हमारा date दिया हुआ है 26 November 1949, because in this date we have adopted our preamble as a part of the constitution. Abhi now let us see some the terms that are given in the preamble. Like we have talked about sovereign. Sovereign means what? In India, our Indian Parliament is sovereign. It means no other country can come here and interfere into the internal affairs of India. Okay, the sovereign means India is neither a dependency nor a dominion on any other nation. So it is an independent state. Internal affairs may the other countries cannot come here and do any kind of manipulations or any kind of influence in the Indian internal politics. So this word means sovereign means the definition here talks about that the Indian Parliament is sovereign. The internal matters cannot be interfered by the other countries. This is the term sovereign means that is given in our preamble. Then we have socialist. As I said that the socialist term was added later. Okay, the socialist term was added later as we are talking about this term. This was added by the 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. Here, this democratic socialism means they are talking about the mixed economy. Socialism means what? Socialist country matlab the resources of that country will be owned by the government. Okay, the simple definition of socialist means the resources of the country will be owned by the state. So socialism means that, and we have this in our constitution. Then we have the word secular. Secular means the state have no official religion. It means the government will give equal importance to all the religions. Okay, so secularism means the nation does not have any official religion. Every religion is equal for the state. Then we have democratic. Now democratic or democracy means the power, the actual power lies with the people. Okay, the actual power lies with the people. Now democracy means as the preamble starts with we the people of India. It means we the people are the most full ones. It means we can elect our government. Okay, our votes are deciding the government. Either it can be BJP, either it can be Congress, either it can be other party that are voted by us. Okay, so democracy mein people will be the more powerful. Republic. Republic means the head of the state is elected. In India, the head of the state is president. But we are not giving our votes directly to elect the president, but indirectly. Okay, we are giving him indirectly the votes. It means the president is elected by those people whom we have elected through our votes. So president is indirectly elected in India by us. Okay. Now justice means fair. Okay, so justice is divided in the social sector also, economic sector also, political sector also. So here justice means that. Liberty, absence of restraints means obstacles. Okay, in doing the in expressing your freedom or speech. Okay, expressing your feelings, there will be absence of restraints means obstructions. Okay, liberty means freedom, freedom of speech and expression. Okay, then we have equality and fraternity. Equality means rule of law. Law के सामने सभी समान है. Everyone is equal. And fraternity means unity, brotherhood. Okay, the unity among the people. Dignity, unity, integrity. These words are there. Now, some perspectives if we talk about K.M. Munshi have said that this is the horoscope of our sovereign democratic republic. These are some of the perspectives given by the other thinkers. Thakurdas Bhargav have said that this is the soul of our constitution. Ernest Barker said that keynote of the constitution. N.A. Palkhiwala, as I said, that this is the identity card of the constitution. So आइडेंटिटी कार्ड क्यों बोल रहे हैं, क्योंकि इसको जब हम लोग पढ़ेंगे तो हम लोग को पता चलेगा कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अंदर हमें क्या क्या पढ़ना है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर प्रीएम्बल. आई होप दिस वीडियो इज हेल्पफुल फॉर यू गाइस. थैंक यू.